Hello guys, today I will show you how you can replace the cabin air filter of a Renault Clio 4. We have the new one over here, part number, the brand. It's located over here. You can see this part and this part. Grab them, push them together, and then you can pull this piece of plastic out. So grab those two parts, clamp them together, and you can take it out. Probably the part number of this piece of plastic. Then we can pull on the filter. You can see an arrow also. You can see that the air is flowing from the motor compartment to the inside of the car. So the new one you have to place also in that direction. This one was a max gear, part number KF6482. But we will replace it with a Perflux filter AHH405. The new filter, the old one. So you can see there's a lot of dirt in it. So time for the new one. So you have to see to the direction. The arrow over here, airflow from the engine to the inner compartment. So like that. And this one we have to place in again. Like that. Then we need to place this part in again. Like that. And then just take the vacuum cleaner. That's how you replace the cabin air filter of a Renault Clio 4. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.